ki paiba nongsang snong kamai khuli sasisien kilami paiba byang ban persha ya sorkar Meghalaya halo ka jingsim rai ban panham no ki katu ka ni kichaka ki bade jong ka Meghalaya sakachala asam khamtam le ka pungri dok ha jong ka snong ka jingsoi kular penbek puat apren ka jala Meghalaya bat asam hakar pnai tre gluber arjar arpuar kala penbitar puk ipeba katei ka thain bat kilo ongru ba kim hun satia ka jing ai bat jingsim kilyang chaka kila dawa benwengi ka memorandum of understanding namar ba kam ya hap satia ya kur kompan hap iki chaka apren kini ki arjala ka ba ki bun hi ki chaka ha ka ne ka thain kin le lut chaka asam kat kum katei ka MOU ka balai soi ha katei ka si lawan ban kersan lang ye ki nongsang snong de ki kun hun seng balang ba pher pher kun thup ya ka Meghalaya People Social Organization henyu trap achik National Movement, Garu Student Union, All Riboy Garu Mahila Association, All Gawhati Achik Student Association, Nolor Kiwepan.
Right to die for our own right and for the land or for our own land. अपना हक के लिए हम लोग डरना मत. I cannot speak Hindi too much, but I hope you will understand. अपना हक के लिए हम लोग फाइट करेगा और अपना जान देने के लिए भी हम लोग खड़ेगा यहाँ में. Are you ready for that? Yes. Are you ready, all of you? Yes. So from now on, इस से हम लोग यूनाइटेड स्टैंड करेगा और ये फाइट करेगा अपना हक के लिए और 1 इंच भी असम को नहीं देगा. Yes or no? Yes. So on the 7th, I will just narrate a little what we have done with this issue of the border issue. On the 7th of March, we have given the memorandum to our Honorable Chief Minister, along with our headman from Maikuli. We went to his residence to give the memorandum of this fake name, Maumari Bill. Have you heard of Maumari Bill? No, isn't it? This is a fake name in which the Assam government and the government of Meghalaya has put up the name of this fishery pond, which is not known to us at all. So this fishery pond is not Maumari Bill. So this fishery pond will not go at all to Assam. We should fight and we should stand up from now. We should not sleep and we will fight for our own land and we will not give it away to anyone to Assam. And one thing I want to tell you, they have kept a settlement that give and take policy, isn't it? Yes or no? Give and take policy बोल दिया. लेकिन कहाँ वो असम लोग हमको दे दिया? थोड़ा जगह भी नहीं दिया. Is it? Yes or no? हाँ ना नहीं दिया थोड़ा भी. लेकिन उन लोग को असम गवर्नमेंट चिनके ये हम लोग का जगह सब ले लिया. कहाँ गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी यहाँ में नहीं है. So we should understand. We should stand united. I request you to stand united, to stand together and fight for our own right.
Promise again. I will develop. Where is the development now? Straightforward, no. To those local MLA from Jirang constituency. Where is the development? Pano development ka? Where? Jirang, Patarkama, Bandihat, or Maikuli Yomkili? During border issue, where are you? Only during election time he will come. He will praise everyone. Yes, my friend, my sister, brother, I am the candidate. No? Candidate only NPP ni. The NPP ni candidate only tao mainan ibaja anchane border issue ni man. Tangsa ba riba ma anchang Maikuli na? Anchani gangura kan sungai ma. Riba ma? MDC riba ma? Mai ni man riba jenga biara. Phale chaiga jukuna mo. All ja. Central scheme 1,000 crores unenga. Contract government na. Maina Himanta Biswa Sarma mo mili jaung de. Wa fund ko onjawa ni khini mang dal de anchini a chiga ko phale chainga. O mungja. Maina central scheme ko unenga jukuna. to anchungo notice sawa talbat ka ba Himanta Biswa Sarman ba mo? Biya scheme ko stop no de stop mo ba? Inasa contract sang ba mamu ko na kanja mamu ko ba takchinga? To MU sign khainga na. At this anchuni panga MLA dong ba? Garols ni ba dong Gentiles ni ba West Khasils ni ba banga ba? Party meeting khaiming biya de untisa de akan na ngachim ba mo? Mai takko namgen.
And Mr. Chief Minister, sir, why did you sign without the concern with the public? Before you sign, before you go to the Delhi for MOU with the Assam Chief Minister to sign in front of Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah, you should have come and visit our village leaders, villagers. You should know, you should ask first, what is the will of the public? What are you doing, sir? This is the good days for us. This is a history for you. It might be history for you. It might be very good news and very great work for you, but this is not good news for us. This is a disaster to us. And we demand you, please withdraw this sign, whatever you have MOU signed border settlement in Delhi. We strongly demand now, and we are not going to go anywhere. And we are not going to give this our land, which is God also blessed us. I know you will understand what the pain and sadness and tears we are praying and demanding from you. So if you have a heart, little heart, and sentiments and feelings, please remove and please withdraw the agreement which we cannot keep today. You might be signed alone, you might be gone, but you cannot become alone Chief Minister, sir. These people had voted to your candidate. Where is your candidate? Where is MDC?